When you sneeze, the air blows out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. To find out if cranberries are ripe or not, growers drop them and see if they can bounce over a wooden barrier. Only ripe berries can make it. 90% of the world's population lives in the northern hemisphere. Ketchup used to be a medicine that was sold as pills across the U.S. in the 1800s. The world's longest musical piece lasts 639 years.